Feedback? Whatever is that? I don't know. Hello everyone, welcome back to Alan's Programming TC 101. 7. Today we are going to learn how to output and input. Lesson number 10. Printing and text-based from the user. Okay, so basically, this is quite easy. We have our header IO stream and our namespace standard. So, okay, let's say I just want to print something from my friend. We use cout, these brackets, and then we write anything, whatever we want to write between these brackets. Hello. And we can write more stuff right here, and we can actually end it right here like this with a semicolon, or we can continue these brackets and write end line to end line, and return 0 as always. And that is basically gonna be it. I'm gonna save it, run it, and compile it. Right here, it's gonna be clicking. And this is all easy enough, right? Okay, but what if I want the user to write something? And let's write something. And we're gonna go ahead and put a semicolon. And okay, if this is C out, then what would the input be like? It would be something like close to C, right? Because of the first 3 letters. Well, it's actually C, but it is close enough. Let's C in, and you can also see this right in the string that we are including, which is I for input, and the O for the output. And the scene actually goes has a this greater or less than signs. It's actually greater than, because our input is greater than any output that can come. Okay, that was cheesy, so don't listen to that. Alright, so we're going to tell them to input something. But we have nothing declared, so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to declare an integer variable, x. And we are going to tell them to output x. And this is important because otherwise you can't just do this, sin do something. What am I going to output? So you need to declare what the user is going to give you. If it's going to be an integer, if it's going to be a float, if it's going to be a character even. So we're going to go ahead and put it as x, and they're going to input something as easy as that. We choose 0. Save. Open up our terminal. C++ master. Then I can go ahead and run it. Hello, write something. Something. Hey, something. This will work for anything, and since this I did it wrong. Since this is just the very basic of input and output, though this code doesn't really do much of anything. But there are applications like 8. No matter what I write, it's always going to return hello. So this is not really useful code, but as you can think, we can use input for a lot of stuff, and we can tell them to write a number, and we are going to show you what you can do with this. You can say, okay, let's multiply x times x, and end the line. Notice that I am outputting something, and this does not go between quotations, because if it went between quotations, the only thing that it would do, it would print x times x, as I'm going to show you right now. Let's try again. Plus plus. So it's show this. Run the terminal again. C plus plus between. Run it. We're gonna write a number 9. See, it's not gonna do anything. So we shouldn't put it in quotations. And I should note also that if we only say, okay, x times x, x is equal to x times x. Okay, cool, but you're not gonna do anything. The compiler will compile that, and it will store the value of whatever number, in this case 9 times 9 is going to be 81, but it's not going to be outputted. You save it right now and compile it. It will compile, it will run, but it will not show me the 81 because I'm not outputting it, I'm not printing it. So it is very important to know this. Columns between 0, we can have a healthy code, and this is 9, and we have 81. Okay, so we have a happy code, a healthy code, and most importantly, a working code. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next one.